Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaway. Today, we are unboxing my Boxycharm base box for the month of August and giving one of these items to one of you. If you are new here, welcome. I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway each month. For the month of August, it is the Juvia's Place Allure 3 palette. Looks like this on the inside. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It'll talk to you about how to enter this one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. I do want to bring you guys' attention to that 1,700 subscriber giveaway, because that's a big one that is live right now as well. So giveaway is real easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in this video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for the Boxycharm giveaway that we're giving away in today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. Want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do giveaways a lot here on the channel. I try and do a giveaway from each of my unboxings. Now, what I have on my eyes today is from Avocado. It is their Be Fierce eyeshadow palette, and I kind of used the shades here in the cross kind of section. I do have a code for Boxycharm. If you're interested in checking them out, it'll save you a little bit of money if you haven't used Boxycharm before, and it will get me some extra bonus points that I can use for add-ons, which add-on sales are amazing. That code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. So the base box is $27.99 a month, and you get 5 full-size beauty items, makeup, skincare, hair care, that sort of thing. So let's dive in and see what's in here. Ooh, Nelly. There's a product in here that I got last month. I think it's a different shade. Didn't really like the product in the first place. I do not like it when they don't do that often, but ooh, no. So here is what the card looks like. It does say Dusk Till Dawn, and I have version number C2208043-BA. So the first thing in here I do really like, this is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. Reignite the sparkle in your eyes with a gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide long-lasting actives released to help moisture brighten, fight fine lines, and depuff. It does retail for $42. I am allergic to coffee though, so this will either go in today's giveaway or a future one. But I do like a retinol eye cream. And so here's what she looks like. Here is my dupe. It is the Alley Oop Stack the Odds. So there's a blush, there's a highlighter, there's a bronzer in it. It does say that this is a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact that packs a cream blush, bronzer, and highlighter for a complete natural look. The creamy formula is blendable, buildable, and infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba and sunflower seed oil for a natural glow. Apply directly with the fingers, anytime, anywhere, or with a makeup brush for a more dramatic effect. It's travel friendly, a lightweight compact. This cream formula doesn't break like traditional powder products. It does retail for $38. Mine this time is in the shade Sunkissed, which is too dark for me, so I'm not even going to open that one. The next product is from Galactic. It's a Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow. Velvety and easily blendable, the metallic cream shadow formula creates a high reflex sparkle finish that's easy to apply, blends easy, and wears all day. It does retail for $20. Here's what the product looks like. Here's what it looks like on the back of the hand. I think it's pretty. Go with kind of what I got on my eyes today. And let's just try blending it out a little. It does blend out really, really pretty. Like I blended that to almost nothing in just a matter of seconds. That one I do like. The Luxie All-Purpose Sponge Set. The duo-sided beauty sponge is the best used damp and made for your liquid complexion products. This sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it onto your skin. This microfiber sponge, used dry, will apply your powder products smoothly, or used wet will apply your liquid products with no lines or demarcation. They do run $40. The last product in here is by Tania's. It's a Sunset to the Stars lip oil. The ultra shiny lip gloss is infused with nourishing coconut oil and pomegranate seed oil to plump and hydrate, plus a sheer shimmery pink tint to give you bold with each stroke. This is a new brand to Boxy, and this does retail for $27. Ooh, this is really pretty. I like this shade. See how it looks on the hand, what it looks like. Let's try kind of moving that around a little bit. It's not too sticky. It doesn't remind me like of a typical lip oil. It's kind of like a tint. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. I do really, really like that one. What do I think of this box? I already tried it. Don't like it. Too deepish color for me. Don't like it that it was a repeat product, just in a different shade. Like it, but it has the caffeine. Can't use it. Sponges, I've got a bunch of them. The Galactic eye stick I did really like, and the Tana's lip oil I did really like as well. So 2 of the 3 products I liked. I wish that was more on the 3 or 4 side that I liked, but because I do have a ton of sponges, let's give away those sponges for today's giveaway. So this is a $40 giveaway. I'm giving away to one of you. Secret word is Dawn. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. You can put on it bonus entries. You're hearing it here first. There's going to be a 4th way to get a bonus entry. So what you do is you fill out the form once, put on it your YouTube names, verify you're a subscriber, put on it that secret word. Now for the bonus entries, all you have to do is mark that you did do them, if you did, because I do check. So your first way is if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on Twitter. It's that same, BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you share this video. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. Only can do it with your help. And your 4th way is if you follow me on TikTok. And that handle is Christina Marie BeautyAmaB. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. And you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through September 9th at midnight Mountain Standard Time. On September 14th, what I will do is from all the entries, if everybody's done what they're supposed to do, I'll take the first name and then the first initial of their last name, put that in the computer. The computer spins it around. We all see it spin around. So that way it is fair to everybody. There's no monkey business or anything like that here on the channel. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I take that seriously. I don't sell your information. I don't share it. I don't create distribution lists. I am the only one that has access to that. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Let me know what you guys did for the weekend. Mine was pretty low-key since we just got back in town from taking my son up to college, which was hard. And then, but I'll go up and see him in a couple weeks, but still. Anyway, let me know what you guys did. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye!